Welcome to the Deep Dive. You're tuning in because you want that quick, valuable insight into the crypto world. And today, we're really digging into GRVT's Airdrop Season 2. You might have heard it compared to Hyperliquid.
Absolutely. And let's start with the headline figure here. GRVT has pulled in a massive $33.3 million in funding.
Wow, okay. $33 million. That's serious backing.
It really is. This isn't some minor project. There's real institutional weight behind it.
So let's get into the incentives then. The source we looked at confirms a huge slice, actually 20% of the total tokens, is earmarked for people participating in Season 1 and Season 2.
20%. That's a significant allocation tied directly to getting involved.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder, with that kind of money behind it, how do you actually participate? What do you need to do to get a piece of that?
Good question. And that $33.3 million, it makes a bit more sense when you see who is backing them. I mean, the source mentioned big names, Deli Ventures, for example.
Right.
But importantly, also loads of Tier 2, 3, and even Tier 4 investors.
Oh, wow. So it's not just one or two big fish.
No, exactly. It's this broad, multi-layered support. It suggests, a pretty wide base of confidence across different investment stages. Speaks to credibility, I think.
Yeah, that diverse backing definitely makes it feel more stable, less reliant on a single entity.
Yeah.
Okay, so with that foundation, how do you, the listener, actually get in on this 20%? What's the path?
Right. So it all comes down to earning points. And their website, it lays out four main ways: trading, depositing funds, investing, and referring friends. Pretty standard stuff, mostly.
But here's the kicker, isn't it? The source really highlighted this. 50%. Half of all the points you can earn come directly from your trading activity.
Exactly. 50% from trading. It heavily weights the whole thing towards active participation on the platform itself.
It really changes the game. I mean, demanding half the rewards from trading, that feels like GRVT is laser focused on building real liquidity, right? Attracting serious traders.
Precisely. This isn't just about clicking buttons or getting referrals. They want volume. They want market makers. It's designed, it seems, to be a utility-driven airdrop.
But that focus on volume brings up a really critical point we need to stress. The source was very clear on this, adding a safety note.
Yes, that's vital.
They strongly advise trading carefully. And I mean, they literally said, if you don't know anything about trading, then don't trade here.
Yeah.
That's a direct warning.
A necessary one. High potential reward often comes with high risk, especially when significant trading is involved. So, okay, understanding that risk, let's talk process. How do you actually get started?
Right, the nuts and bolts.
It seems they've put a few, let's say, operational hurdles in place. Creating the account is simple enough, just email and password initially.
Yeah, standard start. But then it gets a bit more involved, doesn't it? You verify your email, log in, and then you hit this blockchain key setup.
Which is basically your internal wallet ID for their system.
And setting that up requires another email verification code. So multiple steps there. It feels like a bit of a filter.
It likely is a way to ensure more committed participants, perhaps. Once you're past that, you can deposit funds, specifically USDT or USDC.
Okay, stable coins. And which chains are they supporting for deposits?
They've chosen Arbitrum, BNB Chain, or Tron. Notice no Ethereum mainnet there.
Interesting. So they're going for low gas fees.
Seems like it. If they want high trading volume for points, they need to make the transactions affordable. High-frequency trading on mainnet would be, costly.
Makes total sense. So you get through the setup, you deposit your USDT or USDC on one of those chains. How do you keep track of everything? Your points, your standing.
Simple enough. There's an Earn tab on the site. You just select the GRVT Airdrop option in there, and it shows your total points and, quite importantly, your rank compared to others.
Okay, good. So you can see where you stand.
So pulling it all together, what we see is this really clear structure, a big incentive, that 20% token pool. But it's balanced against quite a bit of operational complexity with the setup, and crucially, the significant risk tied to that 50% trading requirement. It's definitely a high effort, potentially high reward scenario.
So wrapping this up for you, the listener, what does it all mean? You've got a project with serious cash behind it, very clear rules for getting involved, but those rules are heavily skewed towards trading volume, which means putting your capital to work and taking on risk. And this leads to the big question you need to ask yourself. Given that 50% of the points, half the reward, comes from trading, and even the project warns you to be careful, how much risk are you actually comfortable with to chase this airdrop? That's something you'll need to weigh carefully as you look at opportunities like this one.